Okay, so we have a police car here that was in an accident, pretty bad accident on the front. And although they did have a push bar on the front, they did not have what is called the pit bar, and they didn't have the wings on it. And we found by putting those on, although they're sort of big and cumbersome, it has saved several vehicles that we know of that we've done several times. I'm thinking of a particular truck, for instance. We had just the push bar on, and it saved it the first time from being totaled. Then he decided he wanted to get the wings put on. We put the wings on, and believe it or not, he had another accident, and they told him at the body shop, had he not had the wings on, it would have been totaled. So I think something like this one here, if he would have had the wing on here, the wing comes around and protects this whole area here. And then if you get the pit bar is a big, massive thing that goes underneath. So if the cops want to do a pit maneuver, which I don't know how many times they do that, but it gives a lot of protection for the corners. This is good for the front, but it doesn't do anything for the sides. And this is another reason why we very, very seldom, if ever, put on an aluminum push bar, although this one isn't aluminum. But a lot of agencies will get the aluminum because they're light, but they're about worthless as far as I'm concerned. If you get the good steel one and you get the wings and you get the pit bar, you're pretty well protected. Since this one is totaled, they are going to be getting another vehicle, a brand new 2025 Ford Explorer, and we have to strip out whatever we can use from this one. There are some items on here that we can use. The license plate readers up on the top. Everything from here back we'll probably be able to use. I didn't even look to see if it had a partition. I'm assuming it does. Yeah, it does. And this is a 2023, so we will be able to use, like I said, everything from the front back.
Like it straight up tore the bumper.
What did you spot that told you that?
That it's pretty decent wiring?
Yeah.
Well, I like to see loom on everything, so that's always nice.
I'm going to take the laptop in.
Sounds good. They got zip ties, which is, always a good thing, but just seeing how the cable route is, that you can't really see it, that's good in my book. Cable management so far looks up to par.
A few moments later.
I said I like their cabling on the outside of the car, but I don't like the cabling on the inside of the car. And they always say, it's what's on the inside that matters. They had some trouble getting this partition in. It's elongated, it's dremeled. A lot easier taking it out than putting it in. Junkie! 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 Hi. Hi.
I did too, look.
Oh boy. Cutting grass.
No. A whole bunch of miles on the bike. Where's the duct tape? I can fix this. It can be fixed.
On this side yet, huh?
Fixed. But nothing in loom.
No. No, at least they had the stuff up front that's outside in loom. Technically, that's passable.
Technically.
Yeah, I don't know what this was to. It was cut before I got to it, so they must have ran something not like it. Find out.
Toolkit now, look at that.
From Mac?
Of course. But of course. Okay. If you notice, all my tools, I'm one of those type of people, I keep all the little cardboard sleeves. Don't ask me why, it's just like my thing. Those are a great pair of pliers. I like them because I don't know if you can get up and close in there. Like really good diamond crosshatch pattern to grab things. Hard to find on a lot of other needle nose pliers.
But are they Mac?
No. No, they are not Mac. They're Snap-on. Oh. You know, like they're like ones whenever you have to lay them down, you have to, just gently, you know. So much for my son's college tuition. Put a pair of pliers instead. See how they put these in here, Steven?
Back.
Riv nuts. They put riv nuts through the plastic and just bolt it right in.
That's not a bad idea.
No, that's how we're putting them back in. A riv nut, you drill a hole, you have a threaded insert that goes down through the hole. Use a special tool that whenever you push it down into the hole and you crimp it, it actually sandwiches that piece of metal and leaves threads down through the hole. So if you have a really thin piece of metal that you can't actually thread a hole through, you could use that and have threads wherever you need them. That is one huge ass carpenter ant.